Hi, I'm Eric from Bean Poet, and I'm here to show you how to reset your Nespresso machine to factory settings. Now, I'm going to be working with a Nespresso Essenza Plus here, and the instructions for this machine are going to be pretty similar to what they are for the Essenza Mini. However, your machine might have different instructions, and I'll go into that a little bit more in just a minute. But first, let me move this up close where you can see it. And what we're going to do to reset this machine is simply press and hold this espresso button for 5 seconds until some lights start flashing. And there you go. Once those lights have flashed, the machine turns off and it has been reset to factory settings. Now, if this isn't your machine, chances are the instructions are going to be a little different for you. And so what I recommend you do is grab the user manual that came with your machine. If you don't have one, most of them are available online as a PDF, and you can simply download it. Find the page that says Reset to Factory Settings, and there are going to be very clear, explicit instructions there for your particular machine. I hope that helps.